Okay, hello everyone again. Welcome to this first session on Android development. And let me introduce first a friend, Arsalan, who is in India, and he expressed his interest to learn and help others to learn Android development. He has the experience in programming, specifically in Java. And I think he will help us and maybe sometimes guide us or do the lecture himself. So please welcome Arsalan.
Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Arslan. Currently I'm pursuing my computer science degree. I'm in my third year and that's about me. And thank you, Aya, for having me.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Arsalan. Thank you. So we're gonna start with the workshop, and then if we have time, let's just chat about ourselves to know ourselves better, because Arsalan is the first time here with us, and we already are we already know Tomoki and Adil. Yeah, okay. The structure of this Android workshop will be the following. I will give you the link to the website, the Google developer website, where we're going to follow the instructions and do the practical activity using the code labs. And then during our progress, we will receive some badges of completion. So it's going to boost your motivation to finish these boot camps. And we will start the Android development course by learning the Kotlin. Kotlin is the language used for Android development. And let me just share the screen with you. I want to guide you on the website. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So this is the Kotlin bootcamp for programmers. And here there are like 9 steps for today that we're going to do. This is mainly about installing the environment and performing just one task, creating the Hello Kotlin program. So this is the aim for today. And there is a text here, the instructions. For example, the second one is about the benefits of Kotlin. I think if you don't know Java or anything, that's fine. You just skip this section. It's a short section, and just proceed with the installing the Java development kit, the IntelliJ environment, and then after we do this, we're going to create the whole Hello Kotlin program. And this is like a self-study work. If you have any question, just don't hesitate and ask like, oh, I have this error, or I can't understand how to download it, or I can't understand how to set it, okay? I'll send you the link. Nope. In the chat. If you are not signed in to the developer account, please sign in and let me know when you finish to signing up to the account. Okay. Oh, hello, Abdullah. It's nice that you joined us today as well. Abdullah, do you see the link in the chat?
Yes, yes.
Okay. When you sign in, please let me know. So I just know where are you all stay in. Go to tab here. So I
So
need,
NIG account cannot be used for login.
yeah. So you need to use personal account. Sorry, I didn't mention it. Also, when we had the life science retreat speaker session with Minori Matsuda, and we had free $100 credits that you could only use with your personal Gmail account. So please don't use university account. Yeah, after you got into the this platform, you need just to sign in to save your progress. I will not sign in here. I will just go proceed to here. So imagine I already signed in. This is how your platform should look like. Did everybody sign in? Yeah, that's great.
Yes,
Then
yes.
if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, okay? And you can enjoy self-studying now. And just one more thing. If you finish the installation, so task 3 and 4, please write in the chat or just speak up, unmute yourself, okay?
Sorry, which Java should be downloaded?
Okay, so what step are you in now?
Step 3.
Three, okay. So you need to download the latest version. So if you go to Java SE downloads, right?
Yes.
And then you need to choose Windows or Mac OS. So actually, the first step, you don't need to download the Java SE, right? You just, the first thing, you need to download Java Development Kit, JDK. And if you have already previously downloaded JDK or Java, then you need to uninstall. But if you don't, then you skip this first step, right? Then the next step is actually downloading the JDK. Here, the website. And you need to download JDK, right? You need to choose from this website, JDK format here.
I'm sorry, what is the minimal version of the GDK?
Excuse me?
Minimal version. Minimum, like I have to install the latest version, or
Yeah.
is 11 okay?
Yeah, it's 17, right? So here, Java SE Development Kit download. Okay, please, can I have your attention so that we understand the task correctly? If you already have JDK or Java or something, then you need to uninstall or check the version. But I guess you don't have anything on your computer. Because if you run this program on your terminal, Java version, you will have like nothing found something. Okay, then we need to skip this first step because you don't have anything to uninstall, right? So now we are proceeding to the step 2. You open this website, Oracle, yeah? And when I open it, okay, I'll open again to ensure that I open the right link. I open it again. And we need to download HDK, right? So I go here and I have Mac OS, then I need to choose operating system, Mac OS here, right? So you here don't choose anything like the version, I think. You just see the first table and we need this DMG installer. You can download it.
Sorry, for Windows, it's different installer.
Yeah. And then after the download, after loading it, we should, so this is the DMG file, right? We need to follow these steps. And if you read here, there is a note that we recommend that you install only the latest GDK and GRE. And what is the definition of this here? The first step we skip because you don't have pre-installed environment. Then we go next. Any problems?
I have my IntelliJ running now.
Oh, you installed everything.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Great. And is it Windows or Mac OS?
I'm on Linux.
Ah, Linux, okay. Arsan, are you using Windows or Mac OS? Linux?
I'm using Windows.
Windows, okay. And did you install everything?
Yes.
Okay, then if Adil have problems or anything not clear, then you can help him, right?
Yeah, sure.
Guide him in his journey. And Tomoki, what operating system do you use?
I use Mac OS and I install all.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Yes.
Adil, have you installed?
I think so.
Okay, that's great. Congratulations. And then, so you all finished the step 3 and 4, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Then we can proceed with the step 5. Does everybody have Kotlin on the right side to choose? Because I didn't have initially, and I needed to enable it in my settings. So everybody could create the project Hello Kotlin in Kotlin, right? So you need to open IntelliJ and then click on create new project. And on the left side, you should have the option Kotlin. And if you don't, let me know. I'll show you how to enable it. And when you create the file, I want you to just let me know, because I want to discuss the code we have written, because I think some of you are new to programming and you might not understand what you did. I want to explain the code. Did you set the Kotlin REPL?
Yes, yes.
I think I can't do it myself now.
Excuse me.
Mhm.
I I'm in the first instruction. I opened the IntelliJ idea, and I click the new project,
Yeah.
but I can see the word Kotlin /JVM.
Do you see Kotlin /IDA? This one?
No. No.
Instead of GVM? No, yeah? Okay.
Yes.
Is there any Kotlin?
Yes.
Yeah, there is, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Interesting.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah. I'll stop sharing now. Okay. Stop.
Thank you.
Do you have? No?
I can't share my screen because host.
Okay,
I
I'll
need
try.
permission.
Okay.
Tamaki, I had one question. When you click on Kotlin, is there applications showing that what type of applications you are trying to build in the project?
Sorry.
Is when you click on the Kotlin option,
Option.
is there any option for Kotlin?
Option button. Option.
When you click on new project?
Sorry.
Maybe the question is there any option? Yeah, Kotlin. Is there Kotlin at all? Yeah.
Option.
The question.
Yes.
Okay.
I can see options.
Can you see
I don't-
Kotlin? Yeah, you can see Kotlin.
Yes, I can see Kotlin on the left side.
Yeah.
If when I click new project and I see the Kotlin on the left side, and click Kotlin and
there is no option.
I can options.
I mean,
Okay. Maybe I found the word JVM. Okay. But a little bit different from the website.
The look is different, yeah?
Yes, looks different.
So after you click on GVM IDEA, then you need to put the name on your project, yes? You need to choose.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I see the same as Adi.
Oh, okay, I'll see. Aisha, hello. I just noticed you.
Hello.
Okay. Yes, so
can I present my screen? I am not getting what the problem is. Can I present my screen just to verify?
the problem is I cannot understand how to. Okay. Advanced sharing all participants. Okay, then now could you please try to share your screen?
Shall I share?
Yes, same.
Yes, I made okay. Change here. And click here. Right.
I think you already have your folder
Yes.
there. Just open from the Explorer. What do you call it in Mac?
Okay. Source.
Yes, maybe just delete the Hello Kotlin folder.
Open.
Delete.
And, Okay, I do. I can do this.
Yeah, thank you, Arsan.
Thank you.
Aisha, if you are still here with us, yeah. Could you do you see the link in the chat?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I forgot. So this is the link, and you need to sign in to save your progress. And today's aim was to set the environment. So download the IntelliJ and complete one program. Hello, Kotlin.
Is it the same as Google course?
Yeah, it's looks similar like Google Cloud Platform, not Google Developer Platform. Yeah.
I mean, I already signed up some Kotlin course. I don't know if I need to do this.
Sorry, I can't hear you well. Could you write in the chat, please, or speak up?
Or maybe I'll ask later.
Have you finished the task 5? When you're finished, please let me know.
Yeah, finished.
Cool. Adil, have you finished?
Yeah, I have a problem.
Okay, what kind of problem?
I will send it.
You can share your screen now. I enabled.
Ah. Can you see?
Yeah.
It says error.
Because you need to write ln. It's not in, ln. Print ln.
Print. Ah. I will try again.
Yeah. So it means print with a new line character. Yeah. That's great. So what we did actually, we debug code, yes. We run the code and then we saw an error. When we see an error, we need to read the comments. So it's written here, unresolved reference print ln. So he says, the code says there is something wrong with your print ln statement, yeah? Then we look at our statement and compare with the example given in the website, and then you know what's wrong with it. But sometimes it's not that easy. So this process is debugging, yeah? Okay, that's great that we all finished this task. And this was the main thing that you need to learn for today's workshop. And there's a summary of the things that you did today. So you know how to install the GTK environment, IntelliJ, how to write your first code. And now for homework, there are some questions you need to complete. And that's it for today. And before we finish this workshop, I want to just explain what you did in this code. So you print the function, yeah? The fun is the keyword, means function, and it has the name print hello. So the name of your function is print hello. So how we write the function, this is the way we write function. We have the round brackets and then these brackets. I forgot the name of the brackets. And then when we define the function, we need to state what this function should do. Inside the function, inside these square brackets, we write that this function should print the statement hello world, yeah? So print ln is actually also a function, but this is the standard function, which is already defined in the library. And this function, as print hello function, has the round brackets. And we put the variable inside these round brackets, which is the string, yeah? So on Monday, we learned the data type string, and this is the example of this data type. So we put the, let's say, parameter to the function here. It received this parameter, and the output of this function is that he prints us the string hello world, yeah? And for this function to work, we need to call it. That's why we put here the name of the function, just the name of the function, which calls it, yeah? It goes up here. You can't see my screen actually. Okay, we see the ideal screen, but that's okay. So after print hello is run, it calls to the function, and then the computer reads the function, what's inside this function, yeah? There is a println statement, which prints us the hello world. Is it clear what we did?
Yes.
Cool. Tomoki, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
That's great. Okay. And we have 10 minutes. You can just answer the questions in the task 8. And I think we finished the first code lab today.
I'm sorry, can I ask something?
Yeah.
Do we have to care about the indentation of, in the function?
Yes, yes. It's thank you, Ayong. That's great. Yeah, you need to put the tab, yeah, here.
Actually, that indentation is just to write it,
Yeah,
just to make the code more
clear.
nice.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, maybe it's not
Yeah.
that important for Kotlin.
If, for example, in Python, there is indentation just to, because if the function will not work. For example, in Python, when we define a function, we don't use the curly braces that we use here in Kotlin. You can see that. In Kotlin, we use the curly braces after naming the function. That curly braces defines the scope of that function. For example, from where to where it would start and where it would end. And in Python, in case you were wondering that in Python we use indentation, then in Python we use indentation because there is no curly braces to define the scope of the function.
Thank you, Arslan.
Yeah.
Sorry, is there anything else for today?
No, I think we just on time. It's 1 hour and we finished installing everything.
Hmm.
And we created one first simple program. And this is just one step towards completion of the Kotlin bootcamp. Yeah, the whole step.
Okay.
Yeah. If
Thank
you
you.
finished the questionnaire on the website, did you? Then that's it.
Questionnaire.
Yeah.
Next.
With the homework. Step 8.
This is possible.
Actually, I don't know why, but I cannot click on these answers on my web browser. Does anybody have the same problem?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I
Okay,
cannot
then
either.
I think it's maybe a bug. And so let's just discuss the answers for the first question, second and third. Which of the following is not a benefit of using a Kotlin language? What do you think? So this question refers to the second step, yeah, the benefits of Kotlin. Let's go through the options one by one. Kotlin distinguishes between nullable and non-nullable data types. If we go to the step 2, we can read here that Kotlin helps programmers to create robust code. For example, Kotlin distinguishes between nullable and non-nullable data types. I don't know myself what that means actually. But they explain that it helps to catch more errors at compile time. So the first option is true. That is not the answer. The second, Kotlin is a supported language for building Android apps. Is it true?
Yes.
Okay, next. Kotlin is designed so you can write less code with fewer bugs. Is it true?
I don't know.
Yeah. If we look at the step 2, there is a statement. It has properties which allow you to write less code with fewer bugs. So it's true. Then the last one, your code compiles faster in Kotlin. Is it true?
No.
I just want to check further.
It's impossible to check answer.
Yeah, so it's not written here, right? So it's not true. The second statement is also written in the step 2. If we go to the step 2, it's written that Kotlin has been an officially supported language for building Android apps. Yeah, so we found all statements true in the text, but we don't have the statement, the last statement. Yeah, so it's not faster. Okay, let's go to the next question. How do you start the Kotlin repo? Yeah, so you already did it in your task 5 when you created Hello Kotlin program. What did you do to start Kotlin REPL?
Last step.
Yes, you select tools, Kotlin, yeah. read,
Kotlin.
evaluate, print, loop. Yeah, good. And the last one, which of the following is not true about Kotlin and Java code?
It's not true about Kotlin. Java Kotlin.
So this may be a hard question because you might not know about Java.
I think the fourth one is wrong here.
What?
Because I think the answer would be the fourth option, because Java is faster than Kotlin.
Because Java
in
is
terms
what?
of faster than Kotlin
Uh-huh.
in terms of compilation and
Let's go
and if
through.
we,
Yeah.
and if we see other options, Kotlin code and Java code can run side by side. That can be true. There are some applications in which both Java and Kotlin are used.
Yeah.
You
Also,
can add Kotlin.
Also in the task 2, there is a last paragraph about Java and Kotlin. Yeah. And in the first sentence, they say you can use Java and Kotlin code side by side. So the first one is true. Then you can add Kotlin code to an existing Java program.
That's also true.
That's also true, yeah, because in the second question, sentence, they say you can add Kotlin code to an existing Java program, yeah, okay. The third one, you can migrate existing Java code to Kotlin. And in the second sentence, they say, or if you want to migrate your program completely, IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio both include tools to migrate existing Java code to Kotlin code, yeah? So we have all true statements found in the task 2. And the last one, we don't have this statement, and Arslan helped us with his knowledge and said that Java can be faster, actually, yeah? So I think these questions, last questions, help us to go back and read information more carefully, right? So next week or next sessions, when we do these labs, please pay attention to the information inside labs, not only the practical stuff, okay? It will help you to get more deeper understanding of the knowledge of the Kotlin, the language itself, and your coding programs. Thank you everyone for joining for this first session on Android app development. And I hope to see you next week or next sessions. If you have any questions, please ask now, or otherwise we will stop this session today.
Do you know when is the next class session?
Yeah, thank you for this question. So we have Android workshops every Wednesday at 5 p.m. But if the Wednesday is a holiday, the session will be on Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah, and we also have machine learning workshops on Friday at 5 p.m. and Python fundamentals on Monday. Yeah, so this is the regular sessions you can join.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, then let's finish this session. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Arslan, for your help and your knowledge today.
I had few questions.
Yeah.
Can you share me the curriculum? Means portion we would be covering in these workshops?
So the next time we will cover the second code lab. So if you click on the second, proceed further, this will be the next step. Yeah.
So we are doing the whole workshop on IntelliJ, or are we switching to Android Studio once the basics are
Yeah, we
done?
will just follow the instructions on this code
Okay.
lab. We will finish the Kotlin bootcamp, and I hope we can then successfully move to another course.
Mhm.
So I want just to follow the course for now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you have any like suggestion, like for example, starting Android Studio and then
Yes.
doing some projects, like simple projects, you
Mm.
can just write me
Mm.
your suggestions.
I,
But I
think
think
that
for now it's enough because it's
yes.
new
Mhm.
things. Yeah.
After a few days, it would be much more interesting
Yeah.
when we start building the projects and
Yeah.
then doing it side by side
Yeah. Sure.
after 3 or 4 sessions.
Yes.
That can be.
Okay. Then I'll stop
Okay.
this session. Thank you. See you next session.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.